Welcome back to the Link Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're showcasing the Cloud Router Switch 317-1G-16S+RM, a rack-mountable Layer 3 switch built for high-performance networks. It features 16 SFP+ ports for blazing fast 10 gigabit connections and a 1 gigabit copper port for easy management. Powered by a next-gen switching chip, it delivers wire-speed performance across all ports, no matter your workload. With dual redundant power supplies, passive cooling, and automatic backup fans, it's built for reliability in demanding environments. Plus, hardware-based spanning tree protocol and link aggregation ensure top-tier stability and protection. Perfect for data centers, ISPs, and enterprise setups, the CRS317 gives you serious power in a sleek, professional design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Link Technologies product highlights.